Now this kudu was so hard to spot. I looked and looked through this camera forever until I finally spotted him. But it did take me a while. You'll see here. He just walked. He's gonna pop up right there. So now we did have to move spots to see him again. As you saw in the last clip, when I circled this kudu bull, he moved in that second. So then we had to move, get across some bush, but then we spotted him again. You'll see what happens here. It's amazing. Sure.
When it's going to drop slightly, so just go on the higher end of his shoulder.
Yep, you hit him. That's so loud.
He's going to go down. Down where?
Hang on. Sorry, I
hit him.
Oh, you've hit him hard, brother. No, he's... Oh, dude.
He's done.
Dude!
He's done. I hear him crash.
Yeah, I heard him crash also.
You penned him!
How far was that?
245.
Yes.
That gun was so loud.
Ooh. Oh, he crashed hard. Yes, yes.
Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Look at that bull. Whew. Look how tight he is. That's so cool. Look at that thing.
Thank you, buddy.
My dad just shot this giant kudu bull, 52 inches. And here, I want to show you something really cool about the kudu. So if you look down this spiral horn, you can actually see his eye, his eyelid right there. Focus it. You see his eyelid? Right
Yep.
there. Yep.
And why is that?
He uses it to when they're fighting, they interlock their horns and they try to poke each other's faces and poke each other's eyes. And doesn't he look for predators also when he's feeding through this hole?
Well done, boys.